Well, I got the truck started. I'm at my house. I tried moving the gear shift several times, rocked the pickup. Maybe the transmission wasn't in the right spot, and still nothing. So what I ended up trying is I turned the truck off, or turned the key off. I took the key out of the ignition, and I actually stuck my finger inside the ignition lock and pushed it three times, and then the truck started. I put the key back in there, and it started. So I don't know if that was the fix or if something else happened, but if that was the solution, I guess you could say that I fingered the pickup and it started. I turned it on. So that's one of the rare occasions where doing something like that, sticking your fingers in the hole, it actually was something positive. Anyway, thanks for listening.